All right, today I will be unboxing a Pure water filter. This is incorporated with the Maxeon filter technology, as you can see right here, certified to reduce 72 contaminants and substances, and it says see side panel, so you can see exactly what substances they are talking about. This removes up to 99% of lead, removes 96% of mercury, 92% of certain pesticides, and reduces chlorine, taste, odor, and more. All right, so I bought this right here. This is the classic version. They have different versions. They have a more expensive version, which actually gives it us a better taste by adding minerals to the water before you drink it. I, however, decided to get the base model, which is called the classic. All right, so right here, it shows how it's easily to attach. On the side, it talks about how Click it installs with one click, no tools required, compatible with standard faucets only, will not work with pull-out handheld faucets. So that's one thing you should be aware of before you purchase this. It does not work with these pull-out faucets right here. So don't waste your money if you have one of those faucets. Right here, it comes with a filter light, filter change light indicator. And all right, so it says green says the filter is working. The yellow says change the filter, and change filter soon. And the red means change filter pronto. All right, right here it says, gives directions on how to put it on filter water, off filter water. So you just switch that knob, and they're telling you to look at the owner's manual, which is inside. And on the back, it talks about what chemicals and minerals this actually eliminates when you use it. Really good. I'm not going to go over the entire thing right here, but I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Enjoy healthier, cleaner, crisp tasting water. That's kind of what I want. All right. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and open up from the top. Pull that back. And open this up. And inside, there's several things inside. There's a couple attachments to use, an owner's manual right here, the actual filter. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and look at this really quick. So some material, $2 off. All right, maybe save this so I can save on the filter. What is this right here? Some sort of directions on please refer to the owner's manual. And this right here, these are attachments to various types of faucets that you may have. So attachments, you want to keep these, don't throw these away. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the inside of this right here. So inside of here is the actual water filter. I'm gonna keep this inside here until I'm ready to use. I want to keep that sanitized. And right here is the actual water filter right here. You're gonna go ahead, twist this open right here. Once you twist this open, I believe you put the water filter in there, close it, and then you attach it to the faucet. The quick attach right here, release it. All right, so that's the unboxing of the Pure water filter. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.